Have you ever wanted to quickly access and drill down in reports from a record in CRM? My name is Shelly Fausett with Cornerstone Solutions, and today I'll show you how to do that with just a little help from analytics.
So I have a summary report created here. I've included the account name. I want to know about closing date, and we have the totals here as well. So from here, all I need to do is go ahead and click share. I'm going to go to URL permalink, and when I get to this point, I'm going to specify some URL criteria. In this case, I want to be able to click from accounts and see a summary for the deals for that particular account. So I am going to click account ID equals, and then I'm copying this. So I've grabbed my link. I'm going to come over into my modules, and I'm going to go into accounts, links, and I'm going to go ahead and create a link. And now I'm going to call this deals summary and totals, for example. And I'm going to paste that link we put in and then add this merge field. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. Now come into any account, and I can see down here on the left, deal summary and totals. This is the link we just created. If I click this, it's going to open that report and filter it for that account. And from here, we also have the ability to drill down. So if I want to see specifically things that happened in March 2003, I can click it, the deal. And then when you are viewing this in analytics, you have the ability to choose which columns you want to be able to see, and you can also do some dragging to see the order that you want to see them in. And that's it.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.